Hey there homeowners, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're doing a head-to-head comparison between two 2026 models that are hitting the market to meet the new EPA mandates. The Weathermaker PA4SAN5 and the Liberty GLXS4B. Both of these are single-stage ducted split systems, but they handle the new regulations very differently. For a fair fight, both of these models sit in the basic category. They are designed as reliable entry-level workhorses for your home. The Weathermaker PA4SAN5 is built by Carrier Global Corporation, while the Liberty GLXS4B comes from the Daikin family. Let's look at the Weathermaker PA4SAN5. This unit is factory charged with R454B refrigerant, also known as Puron Advance, which offers a 75% reduction in global warming potential. It features A2L safety sensors to monitor for leaks, which is a must for these new mildly flammable refrigerants. However, keep in mind that Weathermaker is a repair-only brand. If your compressor fails, they send you a part, not a new machine. Now, check out the Liberty GLXS4B. It hits a slightly higher efficiency at 15.2 CR2. Unlike Weathermaker, Liberty uses R32 refrigerant. R32 is a single component gas, which makes it easier for us guys in the field to recharge and recycle compared to blends. It features a 5mm copper tube and aluminum fin coil for high heat transfer in a compact cabinet. We're at the halfway point, and I have a question for you. If your brand new AC unit's compressor died after only a few years, would you be happy just getting a replacement part, or would you want the whole outdoor unit replaced? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on manufacturer warranties. Here is where the real difference lies. The warranty. Both give you 10 years on parts, but the Liberty GLXS4B comes with a 10-year unit replacement limited warranty. If that compressor fails in the first decade, Liberty gives you a completely new outdoor condensing unit. Weathermaker simply doesn't offer that no-hassle protection on this model. So, what's my final pick? While both are solid, I'm going with the Liberty GLXS4B. Between the easier-to-service R32 refrigerant and that 10-year unit replacement guarantee, it offers much better long-term value for a basic tier system. This is the HVAC Repair Guy, helping you cut through the sales hype. See you in the comments.